How to get there using location words.
Bakery, bank, barbershop, bookstore, bus station, cafeteria, church, clinic, department store, drugstore, fire station, gas station, hair salon, health club, hospital, hotel, laundromat, library, movie theater, park, police station, post office, restaurant, school, supermarket, train station, video store. Key phrases, location words. Next to means right beside or close to something. Example, the bakery is next to the library. Across from means directly opposite from something. Example, the park is across from the school. Between, it means in the middle of two places. Example, the post office is between the bakery and the supermarket. Around the corner means very close, just a short turn away. Example, the hospital is around the corner from the movie theater.
Now, let's practice a sentence. Where's the bank? The bank is next to the school. Where's the post office? The post office is across from the park. Where's the restaurant? It's between the bank and the library. Where's the hospital? It's around corner from the movie theater. Where's the hotel? It's across from the library. Where's the gas station? It's next to the bus station. Where's the clinic? It's around the corner from the fire station. How to get there using location words.